create a Yesung iPhone case design with me on his birthday today, August 24th.
Wow.
First, cut out the printed image. I searched for images on Pinterest and used Canva to design on an A4 sheet before printing. Here are the pictures. This is my phone and the case I used when I went to the Super Show spin-off halftime concert. I will cut out an A4 paper to make the white background. Cut a hole in the paper to show the camera. It fits perfectly. Now I will arrange Yesung's pictures and paste them on this white paper. Let's watch and do it with me. Cut a hole in the paper to show the camera. Trim the edges of the paper and decorate with stickers. So now I'm finished. What do you think about this? Thank you for watching this video and happy birthday to Yesung from Super Junior. Bye bye.